Hi guys, today I'll try to explain the difference between two major types of health insurance plans. First, you've got the indemnity based health insurance plans. These are the normal health insurance plans offered by most health insurance companies. What it means is that in case you have an illness and there are some hospitalization and medical expenses which you incur, these costs are reimbursed by the health insurance company up to the cover which you have. So suppose you have a 3 lakh indemnity based cover and you incur hospitalization, doctor fees, medical fees of around 2 lakhs, then these 2 lakhs is actually reimbursed by the health insurance company. Now you have a different kind of health insurance plan called the fixed benefit plan or a defined benefit plan. In this plan, doesn't really matter how much you actually spent on the treatment. What matters is that in this plan, say usually offered for some critical illnesses, like let's say the moment you get a cancer, you will get 10 lakhs. Whether the treatment cost is 5 lakhs, 1 lakh or 15 lakh is not considered. The very fact that you were diagnosed with cancer will ensure that you get this 10 lakh amount of cover. So usually critical illness plans are defined benefit plans, and most of the plans offered by life insurance companies are defined benefit plans. So now coming to the crucial question, which is more important and which should you take first? So my advice would be as such. First, always take the indemnity based plan. So at least in case of an hospitalization, the particular costs which are incurred while you're in hospital get covered. After that, if you have a budget, go in for a fixed benefit plan. And let me explain why a fixed benefit plan is pretty useful. So let's take the case of, someone being inflicted with cancer. The moment you have cancer, it is not just the hospitalization expenses which will hit you. There are a lot of other expenses which will come into effect. So you might actually temporarily lose your job. But since there is no treatment being undergone and you're rather sitting at home, there is no income which will come to you. This is when the fixed income plans come to your rescue. So you will get a lump sum of 10 lakhs in case you've taken a 10 lakh cover. You had a heart attack. The treatment is done. There is a rest period, a recuperation period which you have to go through. Now, it might result in loss of income plus a lot of expenses which you will incur. Now, who will bear for these? Because your indemnity-based plan doesn't offer you the benefits. They are largely restricted to the hospitalization expenses. So, that's what I would advise. First, take an indemnity-based plan. If you have further money to spare, then go in for a fixed benefit plan. I hope you found that useful. Please do share it so that it can be understood by others also. Thank you.